On this vehicle, the paddles for the plow and wing controls are in an enclosed unit, which makes it difficult to get at the air hoses. See down in here. So what I did was I chased it down. It comes out under this loom here. I further followed it down and I came to these connection points. So I was able to determine if I disconnect one of them, that, and then activate the plow, you can hear the air, right? You can actually see that little blue grommet there moving. So I know that I'm on the circuit for plow. I just have to do the same thing for wing, following the color, and then I insert these in place of that unit, and then I can hook up the plow pilot from there. I have now replaced the joiners with a Y connection. So if I move the plow now, you can see the orange pieces moving. That was for plow. And then I checked to see what the paddle was, color code was for the wing, and it's blue. So we will do the same thing here. So now I have all the circuits. So now all I have to do is connect plow up to plow up on the plow pilot, and down to down on that, and then do the same thing for wing, which is over here. And I have already run the cables to it, so I just have to connect the other end to my Y connectors, and then I have the pneumatic side of it finished. So the install is complete. I've loomed everything. All the pneumatics are connected. Power is connected. I was able to, like I said before, just replace the straight connectors with the T adapters there, and then I grab my power over at the back wall over here, which is also ignition. These plow pilots should always be on ignition.